Hey guys, welcome back to another setup video. And this week I will be doing all of the setups in a single video. So this one will be a little bit longer. Before I begin, guys, this is not financial advice, it's just my perception of the market. That being said, let's go. So we'll begin with Australian JPY. So monthly we have bullish push, price broke the bearish trend line. We're getting some rejection now, so we probably could get something like this and then this, but let's see what will happen. This is a monthly, so there's nothing much we can do on a monthly. Weekly, we're seeing bullish trend. Price broke the bullish trend line and started going down. Daily, yeah, we have bearish trend started. 8-4 bearish trend. Price broke the bearish trend right about here. Found support at the back of a trend line, and then again found support at the same area, and now we are testing this area one more time. So for me, so here we have H1 bullish, right? Price broke the bullish trend line and found support, started going up, and then found resistance at the previous at this area. So for me, if I get a break of this low without price going above this area, I would definitely sell. And if I get a break above this area without price going below this low right here, I would buy. So simple setup. And I think most of the setups on the JPY pairs, they're basically the same. Monthly pricing channel, basically so resistance, support, and then support right about here on the monthly. Weekly, so we can see the support a little bit clearer. So we have a bullish trend and then support right about here. Daily, so we have the bullish trend. Price broke the bullish trend line. Phone support started going up, and it's struggling about here, which is basically resistance from here and here, and previous support right here and right here. So let's see H4. So price was bullish, and this is CAD JPY by the way, guys. So I can't tell that I would actually be interested in a buy above this area. So price broke the bullish trend line, started going up, and then found resistance right about here. So here we have basically price in a channel, right? So for me, if I get a break below this point, so break below this point, I would buy. I would sell, sorry. And that's if and only if price remains below this high. So break down without going above here, I would definitely sell. Break up without price going below this area right here, I would buy. So as I said, similar to the Australian JPY. So this is Swiss JPY monthly. I'm only interested in this leg, bullish. So bullish, yep. Low, 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 low. Yep. And this area as in is very interesting. So we have I would call it maybe descending channel. H4, so whatever weird shape this is. So yeah, so for me, so we know the price is basically in this wedge or triangle, whatever you guys want to call it. Right? And now I'm also interested in this bullish wave right there. So H1, so the bullish wave, the bullish trend, right? So we have this hello, high. So if price breaks below this point without going above this point, I would sell. And if price breaks above this point without going below this wick, I would buy. It's a very simple setup, guys. And that's how I actually trade the market. So this is EUR JPY monthly bullish resistance right about there. Weekly bullish, bullish. Price broke the bullish trend line, started going down. So bearish, bearish, H4, bearish, bearish, H1. So for me, so we have bullish, 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 support. So if price breaks below this point without going above this point, I would sell. And if price breaks above this point without going below this point, I would buy onto UJ. And again, similar setup. Looking at the monthly, for me, my bias is very bullish. So I'm actually seeing this. So price broke out from the bearish trend line and found support. And even this candle currently showing as if we're having some rejection on the back of the trend line. So I'm actually bullish on the monthly. And on the weekly, I'm also bullish based on this. So as long as this hammer stays intact, so as long as it's not wiped out by like maybe break below this here, um, my bias will be bullish. All right, so we have bullish, bearish right here. Price broke bullish trend line and then found resistance at the back of the trend line. Started going down again, came up and found resistance at the back of at the point where, well, so we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. H4. So we have bearish trend, price, bearish trend, started a bullish trend right about here. Then we have price. So basically indecisive at this moment, indecisive. So each one we have. So my sell stop would have been triggered right about here. So we have, so price broke below this point without going above this point. So my sell stop would have been triggered. All right. And with maybe a stop loss of about right here or above here. But yeah. So this is no longer valid since this one would have been triggered. All right, so that's it for UJ. On to JJ. Bullish phone resistance. So resistance, 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 support. Weekly. So this candlestick right here, this huge amount. So very lovely. If this weekly candle closes as a bullish candle, I would definitely be bullish. Daily. So we have bearish. So bearish price phone resistance at the trend line. Let's see what will happen for the rest of the week. So here we go. So we have a bullish. All right. So for this low, if price breaks below this point and stays below this point, so price breaks below this point without pushing above this area, I would definitely sell. But if it returns and breaks this area without going below this area, I would actually buy, because that would actually be saying that the bullish trend continue. All right. That's it. Up next is EUR New Zealand. So nothing to report home about. So maybe we have support right about here. Weekly. Yeah, nothing to report. So and on the daily we are seeing a little bit more of a structure right here. So for me, I already can tell that I would actually be willing to take a sell below this region right here. For prices currently at resistance. Yeah, so for me, if I get a break above this area without price going below this area, I would buy. If I get a break below this area without price going above this area, I would sell. So simple setup on Euro New Zealand. Moving on to the next one, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD, we have in price is basically at resistance, yeah, which was previously support, support, resistance now. So very powerful area. Weekly price is basically at previous support. They bearish. So for me, this is my trend line, so this would be right here. So if I get a break above this area without price going below this area right here, I would take a buy. And if I get a break below this low right here without price going above this high, I would definitely sell. So very simple one on your USD. GBP USD, let me turn this off. So price basically in a channel. Support, resistance. Weekly. Support. Nice hammer. So bearish. Still bearish to me. So price is still bearish. Each one. So for me, if I get a break below this point without price going above this point, I would sell. And if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, oh, so if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, I would buy. And if I get a break below this point without price going above this point, I would sell. On next, we have New Zealand USD. Price basically at resistance. Price now at support. Which was previously resistance. So again, another nice area, as in. So let's see, we have a bullish right about here. Bullish. Yeah, so for me, if I get a break below this area without price going above this area, I would sell. And if I get a break above this area without price going below this area, I would sell. Yeah, simple. On to USD Swiss. So overall trend here is bearish. Weekly. Little bit more structure right here. Still nothing too serious. Nothing too serious. Page 4. Yeah, this is where I actually like what I'm seeing. So for me, if I get a break below this point without price going above here, I would sell. And if I get a break above this point without price going below this one, I would buy. So simple one on USD Swiss US 30. So entire thing is bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Price has been struggling at this in this year for weeks or maybe months. Let me see, from the 5th, January, February, March, April, May. From, yeah, price has been struggling in this year from May. But I'm let's see. So we could actually have a resistance right here. So 84, price is going down, rejection. So for me, if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, I would buy. And if I get one below this point without price going above here, I would sell. Very simple. Moving on to gold. So gold is basically, I think this is all-time high. I think so. Not sure. Well, based on the data that I have in my MT4, it is what it is. Anyway, weekly. Interesting. So we have a bullish trend line and we have a bearish trend line, and both trend lines are correct. Usually for triangles, one of the trend lines usually like wouldn't be a valid trend line to me, that is. But in this case, both trend lines are valid. All right. On the daily, we have interesting. Nothing too serious though. All right, this is where, yeah, I like here. So for me, if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, I would buy. And if I get a break below here without price going above this point, I would sell. So simple setup on GBP Swiss franc. No, this is not GBP. Sorry, this is gold, and this is H4. So sorry again, gold. XAU USD. Up next we have Swiss JPY. Very simple. Yeah, we probably could do without this trend line. Whatever. So it's a nice structure right here. We have huge, huge support right about here. You can see this rejection, 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 rejection. Daily price basically in a channel. H4. See if we can get a better look on H1. Yeah. So for me, if I get a break below this point without price going above this point, I would sell. And if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, I would buy. Alright, that's it for GBP Swiss until USD CAD. So let me turn this off. The price basically in a channel. Resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Very interesting. Weekly, bearish, H daily, bullish right here. H H H H H H H H4. We're, let's say maybe, yeah, we're bullish. This area is very interesting because we had strong support. So we have 1, 2, 3. H1. Yeah. So for me, if I get a break below this point, the price going above this point, I would sell. If I get one above this point, the price going below this one, I would buy. So simple one on USD CAD. On to the last and final one. So Australian USD monthly. So we have resistance, huge rejection. Was once bullish, now bearish. Bearish. H4. Indecisive, but the overall trend on the H4 is bearish. So yeah, price flirting with this minor bearish trend line. Has found resistance in the same zone. So on the H1, for me, we have this little triangle showing prices basically converging. So for me, if I get a break above this point without price going below this point, I would buy. And if I get one, get a break below here without price breaking above here, I would sell. So that's it for setups this week. I think I will actually do another one on Wednesday or Thursday. Basically updates to the setups and new setups if I see any. All right, so that's it, guys. See you on the next one.